Instantly get your power back. Better than people are saying. Unreal. You guys work on your riding skills. Worthy picture. Right there, I can see it. Oh my gosh, look at how clear it is today. We're going hiking. I bet I look weird to you, don't I? Alright, let's see if this little bike will climb this hill again. I climbed it not too long ago. But if it does, you guys are greeted with the most epic view. One of the most epic views in my valley where I live. It's literally breathtaking. Man, I just love the throttle response on this little bike. It's on. If your RPMs are down, your power's down a little bit, just touch your clutch real quick. Remember, just like coming out of corners on a motocross bike on the motocross track. Instantly get your power back. See what I mean? This little bike's a hoot. So epic back in here. I got so many enduro videos, you guys, back in the day when I first started my YouTube channel. These roads are just so much fun. They're not traveled very much either, so you can just rip. Man, the torque on this little bike is better than people are saying. We're actually going right here. I'll give you guys, oh my goodness. I'll give you guys my usual speech. This doesn't look steep, does it? Believe me. Look at that. Like nothing to it. Oh, I thought I spoke too soon there. Unreal. Unreal. Highly recommend you guys work on your riding skills as opposed to getting the biggest and baddest bikes on the planet, because they really don't make you a better rider. Definitely invest in becoming as good a riders as you guys possibly can, because it'll definitely improve your day. This probably grabs you guys pretty good. You've seen this view lots of times, but it's actually not far from my house. My house is right there. I can see it. Oh my gosh, look at how clear it is today. Better pop the drone up, get a quick, maybe we'll have a quick pop. Quick drone flight, and then we're gonna go see if we can find a crazy cool waterfall. Well, it's cool for my area. It's pretty good size for, you know, my small. These mountains are quite small, to be honest. I think they're only 5,000-6,000 feet or something. For Canada, that's not real big. Okay. See if we can get this thing up there and get a picture-worthy picture. Right? I know. Holy. Probably, unfortunately, take it for granted. I try not to. Living here my entire life. It's just where I grew up. But it's not too shabby, I know. Must have been camping, those guys. I'm always curious here at this bridge because this river, well, it's probably a creek this time of the year, but it's a good indication of our water situation this summer. I already tell you I can't even hear it. Oh yeah, there's a bit coming there. It's a pretty good sized river. Large creek, I guess. It's encouraging, but yeah, it should be flowing. There should be white rapids in there. Just met some hikers back there. If you guys want to Google the area where I am, Google the High Rim Trail, it's called. Just as it sounds, High Rim Trail. It's a pretty epic hiking trail. I don't even know how long it is. Oh, there's a rabbit, see him? Oh, there he goes. There's so many rabbits up here. Almost ran one over back there. But yeah, that trail is super epic. I don't even know, it's really long. It's got to be 50 kilometers, maybe something like that. I don't know. But it's pretty epic scenery. Oh gosh, these roads are unreal over here. Old logging roads. Oh no, don't make me get muddy. True adventure rider, hey? Don't want to have to wash anything. Oh, I see an opportunity to wheelie this one. Oh, maybe not. This little bike, man, I tell ya, it's not a handful at all. Unlike my 1090, man, you had to be on your toes with that bike. I almost put myself in the weeds so many times with that thing, coming out, getting a little cocky with the throttle and putting it sideways and realizing you got 130 horsepower. When I do that, send those messages, I usually just throw it in here until it goes through. Sometimes it doesn't grab the satellites right away. It will. A pretty big open field here, but it's one reason I like these Wolfman bags. Put that in there and you can keep an eye on it too, plus a straight view of the sky, so works out pretty slick. Maybe it just continued straight like this. I can't even remember. Oh, I know what. There's another rabbit. See him? See how long he stays there. Hi, buddy. Hi, Bugs. I bet I look weird to you, don't I? This is a KTM 390 Adventure. They're pretty sweet. Come on, come and visit. There's literally thousands of them in this area. Hey, buddy. Oh, he's out. He didn't like the KTM. Probably a Honda lover. I get it, though. I like Hondas, too. And all the other bikes are just so-so. Joking, of course, my friends. Okay, hold on. What's going on? Oh, someone lost a running board or something. I've been here about 4 million times, to be totally honest, and I don't know where I am. Okay, so hold the fort. Stop the music. This is the road I was looking for. Make sure you pull in your clutch, you guys, when you still learning. I guess we're all still learning, aren't we? Oh my goodness, what am I getting myself into? Should be... Let me wrap my head around what we're doing here. It's going to be a long video too, by the way, you guys, so brace yourselves. It comes to an end here somewhere, I'm sure of it. Oh, that looks super safe. Proceed without caution. So the original trail is what I'm on right now. It's for the cattle or something. It's a big massive river just right there. But yeah, they left this ginormous mess because it's such an awesome trail, but they added a new section actually. Hand launch theory. I bet the mosquitoes don't like this. Try not to lose a finger. Yeah, I should just hang out under the drone. The downdraft is actually pretty good. They don't like that at all. Let's go like this. Holy crazy drone, or crazy mosquitoes. What a beginner I am, living in Canada my whole life, and what's the only thing I didn't bring? Bug spray. So the helmet's staying on. These roads are pretty epic though. I've only been on it a few times. Like I say, it's a new addition. I mean, it's probably an ancient logging road before my time, but recently resurrected. Dark in here. The valley here. It's quite a beautiful canyon where I'm headed here. The roads are so... I'm waiting for one to come up on my right hand side. So that one goes out to a really cool little kind of pond, like swampy, big pond, lake, I guess. Small lake is what you'd call it. I'll throw up a couple clips of that. I did on my XR last year, but I wanted to see if this was passable. This other road. So that's where we intersect right there with that road. Ooh, it's tricky right now, big log. Oh, we made it out of the jungle. We used to have some fun quad trails up in here. It's quite sandy. Out into the desert now. Yeah, there's my little quad trail right there actually still. Oh yes, all the sand. Right on. Man, you can start to feel the heat. It's supposed to be over 30, I think 31 Celsius today. And we used to have fun as a kid on these roads on my motocross bikes, just giving her. Might as well get used to the new glasses look. Apparently I need them nowadays. Okay, now we hike down into the ravine a little bit. We'll get some cool drone shots here for the for you guys. Gotta get over this fence. These fences are just they run cattle up here, so in case you guys are wondering. It's hard to center this little gimbal sometimes. Oh boy. Okay, what are we doing? We are going hiking. Of course I didn't bring a tripod. Why would a videographer bring a tripod? Ooh, did you hear that? I have seen bears here. Maybe I should bring my bear spray. Famous last words. Going out of here, bears. Some days you get lucky. Super loud right here, but check out where my drone just landed. Oh my gosh. Beautiful little river here. Same one with the waterfall just goes down into. That's gonna do it for me, you guys. Definitely drop some comments. Let me know what you're up to and what bikes you guys are riding this year. Lots of videos coming. Check out my new shirt store. I got some wicked shirts going in there. Appreciate all you guys. Till the next one. Up.